warming up as the sun continues to come out. We're kind of in that fall weather where it's cold at night and chilly in the morning, and then it warms up during the day and then cools off again. So we're trying to get things weather tight as soon as possible because we're getting closer and closer to the possibility of snow. So we're making some good progress towards that. As you can hear in the background, my dad is running the boom truck right now. He's moving the platform to this back side of the house where I'm at, and we're going to today be putting up the ledger that goes across where the back patio roof. So the ledger is a 2x10 piece of wood, well, multiple pieces of wood that we screw into the side of the house, and then from that we hang our 2x8 joists, rafters, from that ledger, and that goes down to a beam that sits on top of the columns, and that is how we build our patio roof on the back here. So before we can finish our sheathing on this side of the house, we have to get that ledger in, so that we'll sheathe right up to the ledger and all the way around it, and so our sheathing is 1.5 inches thick. It's because of the inch foam and the 7/16 inch plywood, and then our ledger is a typical 2x10, so it's 1.5 inches nominal thickness. And so what's nice is that's going to create a nice even seam on the wall there, and so we'll have to get that ledger up, finish sheathing around, and that'll work nicely when we have to tape everything too and get it all watertight. So what he's doing right now is bringing the platform over. We've got some of the wall sheathing on the lower part, but we have to get that ledger piece in. Today is our goal to get that in, and so we can finish up the wall sheathing on this side of the house and then finish up the roof sheathing as well. We've got maybe 1/4 of the roof sheathing done on the top as well, so making some good progress there, and hopefully we will be weather tight here soon. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're working on.